Hold on. Oops. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I've been scrolling through YouTube videos on how to make egg face masks, and I came across this channel with 5 million views, more than 5 million views. I'm like, what is about this mask? Does this really work? So I'm gonna try this egg face mask to see the wonders it's gonna do on my face today. Oops. So here is the mask that I made. So she said you apply it on your face. Why is my nose itching? Like this. Oh, it feels good. It's like applying ice cream. It stinks though because it's eggs, but I like the feel of it. It stinks so nice on this face. It's my favorite friend. Who's egg? Okay. Let's do this. I'm supposed to make my face. Try to move in circular motion. I like it. I like it. What am I going to do right now? Okay, yes, it's gone. I'm going to apply it on my left head. I look so pretty. Oh, man. So I'm done with the mask. So when it starts drying up, it starts getting sticky. Okay? It does not slide easy. Ta-da-da! So the lady in the video said I'm supposed to notice an instant change after the first application. Ta-da-da! Did I change? Drastic change. Does my face glow? Wow, let me see. Yes, my face feels clean. I think you should try it. Whether there is any significant change or not, I think it makes my face, it made my face feel clean and smooth. Yes, okay. Let me apply my Vaseline. Yes. Definitely, my face feels clean and smooth. I think you should try this mask. Yes, I'll try it. I'll definitely try this mask again. I like the feel of it. In fact, when you are rubbing it on your face, I really like the feel of it. I prefer it to the other masks that I did. That was the one I applied a tissue paper on my face to pull it out. I'll prefer this one. The sugar helps to exfoliate your skin, and the egg will rejuvenate, give you that glowy feel. Yes, I would definitely try out this mask. Yes. What about my hand? Yes. So this was the hand. I'm applying the Vaseline to both hands. This was the left hand that I scrubbed. Okay, so this is the hand that I scrubbed, and then this is the hand that I didn't scrub. Let's see. The difference is this one feels. So let me do it this way. Oh yes. Wait. I don't want to say this one glows more than this one, so I'm going to apply more Vaseline here. Yes. Wait, let me see it again. So this is the hand that I scrubbed. Yes, this one looks more smoother. Yes. It is true. This one looks a bit rough, and this one looks smooth. Yes, did you see that? Oh yes. Yes, this mask works. You should try it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Please try and support my channel. Please kindly support my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.